Polite classroom language. Copy these examples. Practice speaking them with a classmate. Can you help me, please? Can you write it, please? Can you say it again, please? Can you speak more slowly, please? Can you give me the worksheet, please? Sorry, I don't understand. What does this word mean? How do you say this word? I'm sorry I'm late. I had an appointment. I missed the bus. I had to take my children to school. Can you excuse me, please? I have to go out. I have to make a phone call. I have to talk to my wife, husband, friend, family. I'm sorry, I have to go early today. I've got an appointment. I have to pick up my children from school. I feel sick. I'm sorry, I couldn't do my homework. I was too busy. I was sick. I was too tired. Now you try. Fill in the missing words. Good luck!